We now move all the way to the other extreme of entertaining music and dance. To the words of Rabindranath Tagore, or rather inspired by the words of Rabindranath Tagore, we have our daughters here today presenting on stage. That's Shritama, Ishika, Anusha, Akanksha and Ishita, to the tune of some of the latest modern Bengali songs composed by the very talented Joy Sarkar. Over to the girls.
সুদেশ নাকি সরতে হবে
বৃষ্টি পায় পায় তার কি যেন কি না জলে ভেজা মাঠে আকাশে হাত বাড়ায় মেঘের আড়ালে ভেসে থাকা সেই রংধনুকে চায় দেখেছো কি তাকে ওই নীল নদীর ধারে বৃষ্টি পায় পায় তার কি যেন কি না জলে ভেজা মাঠে আকাশে হাত বাড়ায় মেঘের আড়ালে ভেসে থাকা সেই রংধনুকে চায় দেখেছো কি তাকে ওই নীল নদীর ধারে
That's indeed a brilliant performance. I would also like to invite on stage Mitrani for a second, who's the choreographer for this dance. And Mitrani, would you like to share your experience training them up?
Right. Experience, as we to say, I think the girls really worked hard. It was very, very difficult because 2 out of the 3 girls, out of the 5 girls were actually preparing for their exams and everything, so we kind of managed to get the time. So yeah, kudos to the girls. Really, really great performance, and I'm really happy they pulled it together. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And what I would also add to this is also a very big thank you to all the other mothers as well, because of the unending effort, and every weekend they would actually get together and rehearse. So really kudos to all of them, and especially the choreographer. Thank you, and of course the dads as well. Okay.